Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, October 9th, 2015. My name is Cliff Backus, and this is your push-button StockTrading.com daily video market review. Stocks rallied smartly into the close yesterday, reversing early losses and closing near their highs for the day. Trading volume was light. The S&P 500 closed above its 50-day moving average for the first time since August 18th, and more importantly, closed above recent resistance, reestablishing a short-term uptrend. The market, which has now been in a confirmed uptrend for a week, has shown very little sign of strain since the follow-through day that ushered in the confirmed uptrend. The Nasdaq has one distribution day, the S&P none. Distribution's a sign of institutional selling, and too much distribution early in a confirmed uptrend can be an indication that the uptrend is in trouble. Market leadership appears to be getting a bit more focused, with financials, internet, and telecom stocks appearing to set the pace. Advancing issues bettered decliners by nearly 7-2 yesterday. The New York Stock Exchange advanced decline line continues to look a bit more bullish after having put in a higher low in mid-September and then a higher high. For the seventh session in a row, large cap stocks outperformed small cap yesterday and are now outperforming on a 10-day moving average basis. Large caps outperforming is behavior less typical of a bull market. Our swing timing model is indicating a moderately overbought condition in the market, but a moderately overbought market can become a great deal more overbought. Our market timing model on both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 are now on our most aggressive rating, a margin signal, indicating that aggressive traders can begin to utilize margin to leverage their portfolios, while more conservative traders can begin to redeploy capital on the long side, keeping stops in place. The O'Neill timing model gave us a follow-through day a week ago, so we're now in a confirmed uptrend. All of our timing models are bullish, but this market remains volatile and prone to whipsaws. Be careful, keep your stops in place, and be sure to follow your written rule sets. Okay, what we're looking at here is the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline line. And what I want to point out is that we have now broken above this downtrend on the advanced decline line. In addition, notice how it's kind of hard to see here, but this low was higher than this low, and we've taken out this high, which gives the advanced decline line an uptrend, which is bullish. Next, I want to take a look at our spectrum analyzer. What we're looking at here is HGSI, High Growth Stock Investors, universe of 8,000 stocks, sorted by a combination of the most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups. We've made a group of the top 100 stocks in that sort. The reason that we look at this is that by noting where the strength in the market is on a daily basis, we can get an idea of where the power in the market is rotating to. The basic premise of momentum trading, which is what we're doing here, is that we need to identify where the power is in the market and get out in front of it. So let's plug these stocks into our spectrum analyzer and see where the strength in the market is. Yesterday, of the top 100 stocks in our sort, 7 were consumer finance stocks, 5 were beverage stocks, 4 were refining and marketing, 4 were basic diversified chemicals, and 3 were infrastructure construction. These might be good places to look for leadership in the market going forward here. Let's see what the Nasdaq Composite's up to. Nasdaq Composite yesterday was up 19.64 points, or 0.41%. We closed at 48.10. And notice how we closed at the very top of our daily trading range yesterday. The Nasdaq at one point was down 1.1%, but closed at the top of its trading range. That's a bullish indication. Yesterday trading volume was below the prior day. It was about average. The bulls would have preferred to have seen a little bit heavier trading volume. For you followers of William O'Neill, we are currently in a confirmed uptrend in the market. We have been since September 25th. We have one distribution day since confirmation of the uptrend. Right now, the NASDAQ is bracketed by support up here in the 4506 area. I've moved support up from this area right here to this 4506 area. I like that range better because we've seen the market close in that area on 3 different occasions, and we seem to be holding that range. Resistance is up here in the 4900 area. Right now, the NASDAQ is on a primary buy signal with a secondary margin signal. What that means is that aggressive traders can utilize margin to leverage their portfolios. More conservative traders may want to work back toward fully invested on the long side. Keep in mind that this market's still very volatile. It's prone to whipsaws, and you want to keep your stops in place. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. S&P yesterday was up 17.6 points or 0.88%. It closed at 2013 and has taken out resistance down here in the 1993 area. Also, it's taken out its 50-day moving average. Both of those are bullish signs. That 1993 area is an area that I've been looking at to get more bullish on the market. Yesterday, trading volume on the S&P was a little bit lower than the prior day, about average daily. The S&P closed at the very top of its daily trading range, which also is a bullish indication. For you followers of William O'Neill, we are in a confirmed uptrend. We have no distribution in the market. We're going to continue to call support down here in the 1867 area for right now. We should be moving it up to the 1993 range if we hold above that area. And resistance right now is in the 2044 area. We are on a margin timing signal on the S&P 500, which indicates that aggressive traders can begin to utilize margin to leverage their portfolios. More conservative traders are going to want to move back toward fully invested, keeping your stops in place. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the home page. For daily access to our model portfolios, trade updates, and more up-to-date information on our trading strategies, please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohannes Liqueurs, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push-button stock trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push-button stock trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push-button stock trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push-button stock trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push-button stock trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.